Tired of paying full price for your Asitis whey protein and want to fuel your gains without emptying your wallet? First, head over to the official Asitis Nutrition website. Sometimes, they have exclusive deals and discounts directly on their page, so it's always worth checking. Next, let's jump into Google, type Asitis whey protein coupon code and hit search. We are looking for any available coupon codes for Asitis whey protein. Scroll through the results and look for reputable coupon websites like Retailmanat or CouponCabin. These sites often aggregate available coupon codes, making your search easier. Click on a website and browse the available codes. Once you find a promising one, carefully copy the code. Go back to the Asitis Nutrition website, add your desired whey protein to your cart, and proceed to checkout. Find the coupon code box, usually labeled discount code or promo code. Paste the coupon code you copied into the box and click apply. If the code is valid, you should see the discount reflected in your order total. And that's it. You've successfully found and applied a coupon code for your Asitis whey protein. Enjoy your savings and keep crushing those fitness goals.